So quickly, let's take a tour of the India Charts website. It's easy to navigate with all the categories and tools right on top. But the first thing that you want to do is get yourself an account. So you go to the right hand side of the web page and click on login, and you need to register or login first. Now, if you are already an existing user from the previous site, simply put in your email ID, click on forgot password because your older password may be disabled, and then log in with the reset password that you actually create. If you're a new user, you can register your name, email ID, phone number. You will get an OTP when you put in your phone number, so you'll need to put in your OTP number, and then you're ready to get started. The advantages of registration is that later on you'll be able to access everything on the new mobile app that will come in a month, and also you will immediately end up joining our free newsletter, get all my email updates on the videos that I post, podcasts that I create, and a lot of other content and my views that I share freely. So once you have logged in, navigate back to these icons here and go over to the category section. This is the most interesting part about the site, which is where you can find the long short report, a strategy report that I write every month. So moment you click onto it, you will be taken to a page where you find the reports and you get the strategy update. Now, of course, you can't see anything because I'm not logged in. Let me do that. So once you're logged in, what you see is the strategy reports. These are each one of them covering the market outlook for the month or 2 months and the long-term charts. Almost 20 to 30 charts that I put out looking at global macro strategy across world markets, currencies, commodities, everything. So then I write strategy updates from time to time based on either the indices that I'm covering or particular sentiment readings, whether they're getting overbought or oversold. So you find this in the multiple strategy updates that I follow up after writing the long short report. The next thing you want to go to within the categories is my daily market and weekly market updates. So these are the most important for everyone who wants to know where the Nifty is headed. So every evening I write the Nifty daily report, and by noon or 1 o'clock I put out the Nifty video update. This is the daily market analysis, which includes the trend, the position sizing model, and a detailed write-up with charts explaining where we are headed, what are the levels that are likely to be important in terms of the trend, both on Nifty and Bank Nifty. This is a daily report, goes out by 6 or 7 in the evening to everybody on email and is accessible on the website the moment I publish it. Similarly, there's a weekly index update as well. This I publish the weekly update. The Nifty Elliott Wave update is published every Sunday, usually by afternoon or evening, definitely before the night. So you have it before the next day morning, before the market really opens. And what we do here is look at the weekly charts and look at the weekly outlook in terms of what the structure is, the Elliott Wave count, and where the market is really headed from there in terms of particular levels. The other categories include the intermarket analysis, where we compare different markets and how they interact with each other. The commodities section, where I cover everything from gold, silver, energy, metals, and agro. So you can simply move to each tab and look at the updates that are being published under each of them. We have the currency outlook segregated between INR pairs and USD pairs. So when you go into INR pairs, you'll find everything from Euro INR, USD INR to JPY INR and all the other USD pairs under the USD pair section. Okay, then within the stock section, segregated into either short-term trends, which can be both bullish or bearish, I simply look at how to identify Elliott Wave structures that are important when you complete wave 2 or 4. And so each of the examples which I look on a day-to-day basis in real time so that they are relevant, try to explain to you how you really find the most high probability setups and can actually learn to do them yourself. However, for very, very long term, I do a discussion on long-term trends, which are mostly on the long side or bullish side. I look for wave counts that would have long-term trending nature, and that each of them would be updated either on the short-term wave count or the long-term monthly and quarterly wave count. So there are multiple updates also on individual items so that you understand how to break it down from level to level. Remember, these Elliott Wave opinions are published in the format of my analysis, the way I'm looking at it for my own investment or trading. These are not buy or sell recommendations, so they are not really published with the buy, sell, stop loss in that format. So that's not what you should be expecting. What you will get is an analysis technically of the trade setup and the tools that I actually use. If you truly want to understand where India is on the long view economic cycle, then click on the Indian economic analysis. I've written 3 very detailed reports to get a perspective of how to understand economic cycles and in direct relationship to where India lies within them. And then I write winter updates that try to give you short articles on some of the news items and data that keep coming out on those same lines. And then there are, of course, world markets, S&P, Dow, Nasdaq, the European stocks, and various other markets, Brazil, Australia. I try to cover as and when there are important trade setups. Last but not the least, a lot of people want to learn how to do technical analysis, how to look at charts, and how to analyze the markets. And for that, I've written a series of articles known under the Educate Yourself section. You can learn Elliott Wave Basics, the momentum swing indicator, how to use trend lines, and the momentum cycles that I follow in my own momentum indicator, and so on. There's also the Elliott Wave calculator that you can download for free and do Fibonacci projections. So multiple tools that you can get into if you're really interested in our mentorship program. We conduct that once or twice a year. We've done it twice this year. You can probably wait for the next one. It's not running right now. We probably have another one at the end of the year or the earlier part of next year. So we look forward to that. And if you're enjoying this content, and I'm sure you're going to love it, then the first thing you'd want to do right after having gone over most of those articles and pieces is to get yourself into a regular subscription. So you can choose a monthly, quarterly, annual, or 2-year plan and join the Insiders Club right away. The new payment gateway we've given you actually gives you a auto renewal option. So if you click on auto renewal and using a credit card from Visa or MasterCard, you don't need to keep renewing it again and again. But if you want to use any other option, fund transfer, others, those are all available in the one-time payment. So get started and just sign up on the website. If you already have, you'll start getting my emails. You'll also get one of my recent long short reports. So you'll see the amount of 20 to 30 charts that I put together to give you the most detailed insight. And you'll probably not have read anything like this before in how markets behave and why they're doing what they're doing. I believe it's a complete change and breakaway from the standard analysis that you get everywhere else. So it's nothing like anything you have seen on the web, is my promise. And at the end of each of my articles, there's a comments box. You can start having a conversation with us and understand what has been written even better. Lastly, don't forget to follow us on either Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, YouTube, or Instagram, and sharing that content with others. And if the way you really learn is by listening or watching, then you go to the premium videos section and look at our daily Nifty videos, which we put out by noon or afternoon, or even better, the very detailed YouTube videos that are also found on the website itself, and the podcast that I put out on SoundCloud. All of these will educate you on various aspects of global macro and market trends that are relevant at that point of time, because I publish these almost every week. So take your first step, log in, and let all your friends know about your India Charts experience. Thank you.